Kamikaze here with your August 19th silver recap video. As you can see, we had a giant open today, hit this downtrend line, reversed, went down, and then kind of had a choppy day until we had our FOMAC meeting at 1 o'clock Central today, and I signified the start of that. It was just the minutes being released, so took a little bit to digest the minutes. And then what happened was the Fed basically said they're going to back the dollar. Inflation capped at 2% with interest rates possible raising at that, which strengthened the dollar and made people feel the need for safe havens like gold and silver, not so much. So we had a crash here. And when I can also look at the dollar index, you'll see the exact opposite happened here. So let's look at Dixie here. So you can see here, 1 o'clock happened, dollar took a dip, and then it took off after the Fed said they were going to back the dollar and strengthen it. And we can kind of see this is actually live after hours too, so we could see a full bull flag, and then took off here, and then now is starting to come back down. We can also take a look at after hours silver here. You can see silver hit the downtrend line, uptrend line right here. If we zoom out, go to 15-minute, we can see we're still in the pennant right here. We're in this downtrend channel right here. It bounced off the uptrend right here, so I expect it to retest here overnight, and we'll see what happens. But if we get a breakout here, we could have a nice run all the way up to 29 again on silver to end the week. And basically, if we zoom out on the dollar, you can see basically it's still it's still in this bear flag right here. It actually broke below it, and then it's just, it's having what I call a dead cat bounce, so it's still below the bear flag, broke down. This is the all-time uptrend line. So if we zoom out to a week here, we could see the very last leg before we did absolute collapse here in the dollar. This was the FOMAC meeting today. I'm just going to delete that so you guys can see this a little bit better. But we have a couple of supports here. But once it breaks this green line, basically, you're going to see silver fly. And if it breaks this, we could get a crash all the way down into the 80s here. And that's when silver is going to start really getting into the 30s and 40s. So let's zoom in here one last time to wrap up the video. So you can see it broke this downtrend. We had the FOMAC meetings at 1, had this giant spike, and now it's kind of leveling off. It might go all the way back up here. It's not that far off. It's only 40 cents away. So it could go up here before we get another reversal. So let's just keep an eye on the dollar and silver in the next couple days and see what happens. But long-term trend is still intact, and there's no reason to worry about silver right now. Thank you guys, and I hope you have a great day.